Hello everyone, this is my review of the Calais-less variety of 6-pack Shirataki noodles. The first thing that really stood out is how light and low-carb they are. These noodles are essentially carb-free compared with regular pasta, which makes them perfect if you're trying to cut carbs or keep calories down. There are 3 different types in this pack: spaghetti, fettuccine, and angel hair pasta. Because they're made from Konjac root fiber, they feel lighter in the stomach but still help you feel satisfied. The texture is interesting. It's not identical to wheat pasta, but once rinsed and prepared, they have a modest chewiness and soak up sauces nicely without overpowering them. I used them with marinara and stir-fry sauces, and they worked well. The flavor is pretty neutral on its own, so you really need a good sauce or seasoning to make the meal taste great. Also, for people new to high-fiber foods, huge portions may be heavy on digestion at first. Overall, I'm happy I tried these noodles. If you want a pasta-like meal, but with low carbs, lighter digestion, and flexibility for keto or gluten-free eating, I think this is a solid alternative worth trying. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.